Hello friends, today we see how we can create new Gmail account in easy way. So let's get started. This is the browser where you have to write sign up Gmail account in this column. Just click over here, then at here and then at here. It will take you to this page. In this column you need to enter your first name and then your last name. In next column you have to enter your Gmail address. Which would you like? I am going to with test email for you. And the below section you need to create password for your Gmail account and confirm the same password in next column like this, and then click the next button. It will take you to this page. At here you have to enter your mobile number which will be associated with this Gmail account, and then click the next button. One OTP you will receive at your mobile number which need to enter at here to verify your mobile number at this Gmail. Click the next button and then skip the next section, and then you have just to scroll down in the bottom and click button I agreed. So like this you can easily create new Gmail account in simple and easy way. Thanks for watching this video.